Welcome Freedom Hero to the first episode of the second season of the show. Today you will find out about what marketing automation is. My name is Istvan Bujdasó and this is the 47 Marketing Show. Let's get started with a short summary. Marketing automation is using software based on a customer-focused strategy to automate repetitive marketing activities while providing personalized experience to your leads and customers. Two huge benefits of marketing automation are that it makes marketing a lot more efficient and more reliable. Let me explain these a bit more. Just imagine that you reach out to 10-15 new potential leads a week and you realize that's not enough. So you decide to scale up. You want to reach out to more new people and contact each of them more times. Let's say reaching out to 100 new potential leads a week and follow up with all of them once a week. Do that for 6 months and it means that you need to reach out to 2,600 people and 37,700 times. If you're doing that manually, that's a crazy lot of work, even for multiple people. Do you agree? And there is a good chance there will be some errors and mistakes in that manual process. On the other hand, with marketing automation, that can be done a lot more efficiently. It takes some time upfront to set it up, let's say a few weeks, but after that it can pretty much run on its own and do the majority of the marketing work we talked about earlier for you and in a much more reliable way. Plus, the cherry on the top, marketing automation is a lot easier to scale up than manual activities. Does this make sense so far? Okay. Marketing automation is not only about automating repetitive tasks, it is also about reacting to how your clients and leads engage with your marketing. Based on what they do, your marketing automation can trigger different actions. For example, when a lead buys your product, from that point your automation can send them different marketing messages, maybe promoting an upgrade to them or guiding them to use the product. You get the point, right? There are other situations as well that you can use to trigger you can use as a trigger time, or they open an email or watch the video or engage with your ad and so on. The opportunities are endless to react how your leads and clients engage with your marketing and get better results. In a minute, I will tell you about more marketing automation examples, but before that, let's talk a bit about analytics and numbers. They provide you key feedback on what is working and what is not working in your marketing automation. For example, if your ads are converting, if your emails are opened, if your videos are watched, and so on. Now, would you like to hear a few more examples? Okay, when it comes to marketing automation related to traffic, then retargeting campaigns are a great example. You can show different ads, different marketing messages to those who already opted into your email list, or to those who visited your landing page but didn't opt in and they need more nurturing before they can become your leads. And there are many other possibilities to retarget your leads. Okay, another example is automated social media posting. When you are present on all the major social media platforms and you are posting multiple times a day, that can eat up a lot of your time. With a good upfront planning strategy and an automation tool, you can get a lot of your time back and still push all of your posts out on time and consistently. Are you getting this so far? Okay, the next example is automated lead generation and online sales. These are usually the combination of multiple marketing automations, but when you nail these, that can grow your business like crazy. In the past 50 episodes, we mainly focused on automated lead generation. If you are interested in that area, then I encourage you to check out all the previous episodes of the show as well. Okay, here is one more example: automated follow-ups, emails, Facebook messages, text messages, and other channels. These are really important marketing automations because most of the people don't buy the first time when they see you and your marketing message. A lot of people need nurturing first so they can get to know you, like you, and trust you before they buy from you. When you have a lot of leads to follow up with and daily, then it's a lot of work. And that's why it is so important to automate your follow-ups so it can happen consistently and on a scale. Just like with other marketing automations, the actions of your leads can trigger different follow-ups. For example, when they purchase your product, or follow or open a message, or click on a link, or reply to a message, and so on. Now that we went through the examples, let me ask you a question. What is the first or next marketing automation you will add to your business? Leave a comment and let us know about it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Here's one more marketing tip for you. If you want to generate leads without cold calling, get the amount of leads you want, or even if you just want to find the hot leads without wasting time on cold leads, then this is the most important message you will hear all year. And here's why. Because in today's business world, getting the right leads or not can mean the difference between growing your business or losing it. Let me tell you about the hybrid lead automation hacks that will walk you step by step through the entire proven process from start to finish. It will give you the exact blueprint you need to succeed in igniting your automated lead generation in as little as 15 days without cold calling. This proven process is so simple that you can do it even if you have never done anything like this before, and you can start right now by visiting 47funnelsecrets.com. The first time I implemented this process, it 20x'd our lead generation in 3 months on autopilot, which is amazing, right? Besides that, this proven process already helped hundreds of entrepreneurs like you to automate their lead generation, and you can be the next one. Just go to 47funnelsecrets.com and get started now. Hey, are you still here? You know, every minute you wait is another lead you miss who will just go to your competitor. So take action now and ignite your automated lead generation. Just go to 47funnelsecrets.com and get started now.